Oh, okay. I see. I can do my introduction.
Yeah, introduction.
Introduction. Okay. Hello, everyone. Independence Day, 4th of July, 2024, Anoka, Minnesota, July 4th. Here we are, awaiting nightfall, which is be in another like 3 minutes, totally dark. And we'll watch the annual firework display in Anoka, Minnesota. Yeehaw! Best in the province, they say.
Yeah. See guys, too many cars here waiting for the fireworks from there until here, but we are in the near of the lake. Is it a lake?
Rum River.
Oh yeah, Rum River. From Champlain to Anoka, nagbike lang kami. Oh my gosh, masakit ang puwet, but it's okay.
There they are. See?
Here they are. Now they are starting already, guys. Wow. Fireworks. Happy Independence Day. Wow. Independence Day. Walang tulugan.